Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about the new update from GoodLock for your Samsung Galaxy S24, and that's if you are running the One UI 7 beta. So let's go ahead and take a look at the redesign. Okay, so I'm super excited to bring to you the complete redesign of the Galaxy S24 Ultra GoodLock. So I've got the S24 Ultra here. So if we go into our GoodLock, you will see now that we have a completely different redesigned menu. This is really cool. It's got some tabs up here at the top. So we have Makeup, we have Life Up, which are the two that were in the original. We now have a clock one, which will show any clock modules. We have extensions, so this goes through and shows you the different extensions that are available. If we scroll over here, we have gestures. So this goes through the gesture-based modules. So we have Navstar, Home Up, and One Hand Operation Plus. Home Screen brings up Theme Park, Home Up, and Wonderland. Keyboard, we have Theme Park and the Keys Cafe. Next up, we have Lock Screen. So this has Noti Star and this has the Wonderland module. Multi-window. So this gives us the multi-star and the one-handed Operation Plus. Notifications has Edge Lighting Plus, Noti Star, and Nice Catch. And then last but not least, we have the settings, which goes over the Registar and Nice Catch. We have a touch option that shows us the Routines Plus, Registar, and Edge Touch. We have a wallpaper option that then shows us Theme Park and Wonderland. And so those are the new tabs at the top there. We also have new redesign here. So we have plugin, and then we have You. And so if you click on You, this is actually going to show you your favorites. And this will allow you here, you can see that you can open these up, you can download them. If we hit the edit button here, you can actually go in. So if you don't have a favorite app, you can actually favorite them here. Let's go into our settings. We have permissions. So this is for our notifications and permissions to allow. We have a contact us, the GoodLock credits. So these are all the people that create GoodLock. But this is super cool that this is all prepped for One UI 7. So the Galaxy S25 series was released on January 22nd, a Galaxy Unpacked. So this is the redesign that's prepping everything for One UI 7. Okay, a couple more features I wanted to talk about. Up here in the upper right corner, if you hit this little mailbox icon, we have some options here. So we have widgets that are available. So there's a mini GoodLock widget and a cassette widget. So if we hit the mini, it says mini is a shortcut that allows all installed GoodLock apps at once. Add it to your home screen now to quickly launch your favorite apps. If we go back here, we have another one for cassettes. So if you're into the retro style, this is the cassette widget that's inspired by nostalgic cassette tapes. You can add up to 4 of your favorite GoodLock apps for quick launch. So if we click on this, which I've gone ahead and done, you'll see here that it adds this cool little widget here. So this is the cassette widget that I have. So if I open that up, that's going to bring us back here. You can see there's some cool animation. If we go back, let's go ahead and go back into GoodLock. We also have some wallpaper options. So I don't believe this was available on the previous version. Let me go ahead and just grab my my Z Fold 5 here, which is on 6.1. And let's just take a look and see what the differences are. So here is the GoodLock module on 6.1. So let me go ahead and put that right next to it. And let's go ahead and go back. So you can see the completely different redesign in the UIs here. So this is the 6.1.1, and this is the One UI 7 version. So I don't see in here, let me just scroll through here real quick, but I don't believe that we had the option for those wallpapers or those widgets. So no, I'm not seeing that in here. So that's really cool that we've got these little extras that have been added now. So if we go back in here, we've got some different wallpapers that we can use. So let's just go ahead and apply one. So here's the Notice Star. Good luck. So we can actually set this as our wallpaper. So we'll go ahead and set that and see how that looks on here. And we'll just go ahead and let's just go ahead and do, we'll just do the home screen. And so now you can see here is the new wallpaper, the Good Lock wallpaper. And we'll go ahead and close that out. And there we go. So pretty cool. I like the fact that Good Lock has really done the redesign to fit with the aesthetics of One UI 7. It's really nice to see that they've added some extra features like widgets and wallpapers. So hopefully we'll see some more updates once we get the official One UI 7 stable rolled out to the S24 Ultra. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the new Good Lock redesign. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.